Om Namah Shri Yatirajaya Vivekananda Satchit Sukha Swarupaya Swamine Tapaharine. Namaskar, I welcome all to our segment, The Awakening India by Swami Vivekananda. And today we are doing the third episode, means third part of this chapter, Believe in Yourself, from the part Swamiji's message to the youth and from the book Awakening India by Swami Vivekananda. So today actually means means according means like the previous episodes of the two part we have done. One motive is believe in yourself, and today we will be going through with the difference between the Englishman, means the Western cultures people, and you, means in the Indians people, as defined by Swami Vivekananda. So first we will know that what is Atman. We will know the definition of the Atman. So here tell that Swamiji is telling that preach unto the world the great truths of your religion. The world waits for them. For centuries, people have been taught theories of degradation. They have been told that there are nothing. The masses have been told over the world that that they are not human beings. They are so frightened for centuries till they have nearly become animals. Never were they allowed to hear of the Atman, means self. Never had the means let them hear of the Atman. So Swamiji is trying to tell here that in for centuries people have gone through with this. Uh, means people have not heard this word Atman. So Swamiji is trying to let everyone to hear this word Atman. That even the lowest of the low have the Atman within. Everyone, even the high caste, low caste, every people have this Atman within them, which never dies and never born. Means it's immortal, and in some sense. Of him, the sword cannot pierce, not the fire burn, not the air dry. That means Swamiji is trying to tell their tell the Atman, define the Atman, that it cannot be affected by any sword, any attack of sword, in fire or the air, attack of air. It is immortal, without beginning or end, all pure, omnipotent and omnipresent. All these terms Swamiji is comparing with the word Atman. Swamiji is telling that everybody is running away from the Atman. Let us, this is the time we should bring everyone to run towards the Atman. We should, means we should give the power, we should give the knowledge that how much what is the power of Atman. Yes. And again Swamiji is telling that let them have faith in themselves. So Atman here, it is faith in themselves. For what makes the difference between an Englishman and you here refers as the Indians, means those who have not believed in themselves. Let them talk their religion and duty and so forth. I have found the difference. The difference is here that the Englishman believes in himself and you do not. He believes in his being. He believes in his being an Englishman, and he can do anything. That brings out the God within him, and he can do anything he likes. You have been told and taught that you cannot do nothing. So you are becoming, and so you are becoming means so your power is becoming finished. Your power is finishing, means vanishing from you every day, every moment. So Swamiji is trying to tell her that like an Englishman, we should erase the difference and try to believe in ourselves like that Englishman only, so that we can do anything that we want. So here the main point is that we should uh, realize the power of the Atman inside us. We should believe in yourself. Yes. And yeah, if anyone wants to see this, the previous part of the episode, this chapter, one can go to our description box and find out those links. This is only today's. Next day we will bring its next part. By touching the feet of Bhagavan Sri Ramakrishna Paramhansa Swami Vivekananda and Srimad Sarada Devi, I would like to end this speech today. ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते हरिः ॐ तत्सत् श्रीरामकृष्णार्पणमस्तु।